You are now listening to the Rationetics Experience. Enjoy. And today we begin by asking a question that everybody wants to ask but almost doesn't never ask is how do we bloody get lucky in life? How do we find luck in everything we do, in every endeavor we pursue, in everything we want to do? How do we find it? Or, like Frank Sinatra says, how can luck be our lady tonight? How do we do it? It's an age old question which we want to ask, which we want to get to know the answer to, but nobody ever tells us. And the more and more I think about it, or whatever I've read till now, of whomever I've listened to, some of the successful people I've met while I was on conference, what is it? And I followed this all my life unknowingly, but now I know it so I can put it in words for you. So, are you ready for it? How do you find luck? It's actually pretty simple. You fucking work hard enough. There, that's it. And you'd be like, cut the bullshit. No, seriously. Tell me, how do you find luck? Well, folks, I gotta tell you, there's no way to find luck. If you work hard enough, you find luck. That's it. Yeah, that's it. There's nothing left to say, really. Like they say, and it's one of my favorite quotes, luck is when opportunity meets preparation. Okay, I'll repeat it for you. Luck is when opportunity meets preparation. So, even for the right opportunity to come to you, you must be prepared. Like they say, the master appears when the student is ready. So, you gotta be ready. You have to be prepared. You have to do the things which you have to do. Like in examination, I never pray and I almost never tell anybody to pray कि काश पेपर अच्छा है या कल जो भी है क्वेश्चन पेपर मेरे फेवर में हो या अच्छा है मुझे क्वेश्चन आते हो नहीं. पहले आप अपनी तैयारी करो. You do your own fucking work and the results will follow. That is what I used to think even during my 12th boards, even when I topped, and even when anything I achieved in my life. You first do your own bit, you first do your own work, and if the right opportunity swings by, then the luck will come in your favor. That is actually we call luck. You see, luck, as I say, is a perfectly orchestrated thing. There's no such thing as viral. Yes, lottery tickets, there's stuff in this world like lottery tickets, which happens one in a billion times or a million times, like just getting like struck by lightning or your content going viral on TikTok or something. I don't believe in one in a million things because odds are not in our favor for that. Let's be practical. Let's be fucking realistic of what works in this world and what doesn't. Hard work works. If you work enough, if you do your bit, then you can fucking trust this universe to put the things which you want right in your lap. That is how it will work. And that is one thing you need to get straight in your life. That, oh God, how I get lucky. अब मैं इस चीज़ में तो बिल्कुल पड़ी नहीं रही कि किस्मत क्या है. एट द एंड ऑफ द डे जो किस्मत में लिखा होता है वही मिलता है. दैट इज़ ट्रू. बट वो मिलने के लिए भी तुम्हें अपना पार्ट करना पड़ेगा. Remember this. You need to do your stuff. You will have to do your stuff. You need to do your thing. I know you can hear the watchman in the background because it's really 4 a.m. here, literally. But I hope you understand what I'm trying to say. And not just hope, I think you fucking grill that in your head that there's no such thing as luck. It's your preparation. At the end of the day, yes, you'll get what your fate has decided for you or what the universe has decided for you. But I also believe in law of attraction and frequency. Someday I'll talk about it. But really, the crux of it is whatever the vibration you sent in the universe, you get it back, multiplied by 100 times, just like karma. Okay? So you don't believe or you don't Believe anything in this fantasy that किस्मत में होगा तो मिलेगा और बैठे रहेंगे, अगर मिलना होगा मिल जाएगा, नहीं. कुछ भी आपकी लैप में आके रखा नहीं जाता. You're not fucking entitled to anything in life. Okay? You work for it, you'll get it. Simple as that. And that is when you will find luck. There's no such thing as viral as well. Sometimes what we really think when people get viral, we don't see their hours and years of commitment and of doing the same thing and again and again. And one content or one video or one post makes them viral. We don't see, like वो एक post viral हुआ था ना Instagram पे, we just see the tip of the iceberg and not the iceberg in its entirety itself. That is the thing. There's no secret success to luck, bros. There's no secret success to luck. No secret recipe. कोई सक्सेस मंत्रा नहीं है, कोई कुछ नहीं है, कोई जादू टोना नहीं है, कुछ भी नहीं है. It's simple, it's easy, and you grill that in your head that you work fucking hard enough to make your own luck, to find your own luck. You are persistent, that when life throws shit at you, you can make something useful out of it. I can't come up with a good word, good code, but yeah, that's it. And I'll see you guys with another episode. Good night.